Hi, everyone. Welcome to my series, Finesse and Flair. And welcome to the second episode of the Power Couple series with an extremely charming couple today. Introducing India's carpet mogul curator extraordinaire, Dhruv Chandra is the owner of the Carpet Cellar in New Delhi, which houses one of the largest collections of rare, old, and antique rugs in the country. The leading authority on tribal carpets, especially in rare and oriental rugs and textiles from Persia, Afghanistan, and Central Asia, is a collector of fine things in life and a native of New Delhi. His formal education was in St. Columbus School and Delhi University, but mainly from his travels around the world, where he had the pleasure of working with distinguished scholars and museums all over the world. Besides being a sought after curator, Dhruv also lends his expertise to advise other collectors and art enthusiasts on subjects of collections, restoration, and evaluation of old and rare rugs and textiles. He is in the midst of writing a book and planning on building India's first carpet museum. Tamanna Singh Chandra is the peace to my crazy existence, the calm to my gazillion storms, an epitome of friendship which is for keeps, somebody with who is as warm as the golden sun, with a golden heart as beautiful as her home. She has more than 2 decades of experience in the aviation industry and is a baking and cooking enthusiast. My favorite person to be with for my heart to hearts and a genuine love. Please welcome the very charming Tamanna and Dhruv Chandra.
Thank you.
Welcome, Tamanna and Dhruv.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bia. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much. It's a real pleasure to have you on my show. I have been trying to get hold of the two of you for a very, very long time now. And finally, I have you on my show today.
The pleasure is all ours.
Thank you so much. And both of you know what you mean to me. You know you are my favoriteest couple in the whole world. You're the most charming, the most beautiful, the most warm, hospitable couple I have ever known. And I have known you for a very, very long time now. So this really means a lot to me that you're on my show today. So thank you once again. And let's get started. So who's going to answer this question first?
Um, why
Mr.
don't?
Chandra?
Okay, I'll take that.
Okay, Dhruv, so how did Cupid strike between the two of you? How and when?
Well, this was many years ago. We met up at a friend's party, and that's when I asked my friend who's she, and he said she's not your type. So I sort of drifted, and we didn't sort of meet. Then we kept meeting regularly at a swimming pool where we both used to swim, and it just happened by chance that I sort of then eventually got to know her a little better, and I pursued her further, and we were eventually hooked and booked and cooked.
Destiny, I would say.
Okay, and Tamanna, how did Cupid strike for you with Dhruv? I've known you so long and I've known you so well, and I know Dhruv that she used to run a mile away from men till she met you. So you've definitely got that special charm. So Tamanna, what was it which was so special about Dhruv?
Do I really need to say it? Doesn't he just say everything enough? His smile, his heart. His heart is the main thing. And
My God, even after 13 years of marriage, she doesn't know me well.
Wow,
it was just
amazing.
everything about him was just perfect.
Perfect.
There was never
Great.
a doubt in our minds, I guess.
So where does this perfect couple like to go for a getaway? What's your favorite destination to go on a holiday?
Ooh, that's a tough one, Bia.
I think you know this one very well. But we generally travel to Koh Samui, which is like our local place to go to. We've been going there for about 13, 14 years now, and we go there 2, 3 times a year. And it's our sort of unwinding place. I'm a big massage junkie, so we love it. The food is great. The
Fabulous.
hospitality is fabulous.
Weather is
So
great.
it's
Hotels are
amazing.
wonderful.
Yes.
Food is fabulous. Yeah, absolutely. I think Thailand happens to be everybody's favorite place
Yeah.
to go to nowadays. Everybody, I don't know anybody who doesn't like
And
Thailand.
it's really convenient because it's not that long a flight. So it just works out perfectly in every way.
Absolutely. And the customer service that you get there is like one of the best in the world. And you've got
Yes,
such
the
beautiful
hospitality is at a
hotels.
different level,
Yes.
and the people are really nice. I think more than anything else, it's like a very and we've been going there regularly, so we feel like it's home also in a way.
It's your second home. I'm sure you're going to get citizenship there very soon, the two of you. Okay, so how do you guys spend? What is the idea of a perfect weekend for both of you?
Actually, weekends
Yeah.
are not, every day is a weekend for us because basically we are actually, I work weekends actually. So, because of the business that I'm in, and Tamanna's flights are erratic, so you don't know when she's uh, traveling. So, it depends on when whenever she's in town, we take a day off and we go out and do something.
In winters, we love going for picnics. So we just get some food packed and we just go to Lodi Garden or somewhere and just hang around there. Or just go out for lunch, go to the spa, or just hang at home. Just be with each
Nice.
other. That's the perfect day off.
Yeah, or chill by the pool.
Awesome. Okay, so I can tell you both complete water babies. Whether it's a holiday or a weekend, you need to be close to water.
Well, thanks to the water we met. So
Yes,
definitely.
so has to be the center point of attraction. Okay, if there is anything that you want to change about each other, what would it be?
Oh, that could take a few weeks, years, possibly. But I think I'm a wise man. I think I don't want to change. I want to live in this home. So I think, I think she's just perfect. I think just the way she is. I don't know. With me, there'll be a extremely, extremely long list.
Not really. There's just one thing that always bothers me about him is that he never gives enough time to himself to take care of his health. Just regularly look after yourself. Everything else can wait, but most important thing is if you're fine, then everything
Everything else is in place.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I just want him to dedicate more time to his exercise, his health, sleep on time, and that's about it. Nothing else. That really bothers me that he needs to concentrate on that.
Okay, what was the last gift that you both gave each other?
Wow. With the COVID around,
I think there's so many gifts that she keeps showering me with. I can't keep a track of them. There's just too many things that.
I don't think we wait for occasions
Yeah.
to give each other gifts.
Yeah.
If you feel that the other person likes something, you just go and get it for them, and that is special enough to be gifted something. Yeah?
Okay, super. Okay, so Tamanna, I have a question for you now. Considering Dhruv is one of the biggest carpet connoisseurs in India, and you have been with the aviation industry for so long, how do you both balance this very varied, this very different professions that you both into? How do you balance it out for each other?
Well, there's not much. It's not very difficult. You just he adjusts to my erratic timings, my different, like days of work. I need to sleep at different hours, and he's always very accommodating, very adjusting about that. And
she's very kind all the time. So I think it's just easy. I don't think there's any.
Yeah, I don't think there's any adjustment. It just all kind of falls into place, I feel. Very smoothly.
Okay. Okay, so Dhruv, for all our viewers, I would like you to please tell us something about your huge carpet business that you've been into for so many, the Carpet Seller. Can you please tell us something more about Carpet Seller?
Well, it's not a very huge business. It's a small family-run company. We, my chacha used to collect old and antique carpets as a private collector for almost 45 years. And we are into other businesses also. We are into wool trading. We have a travel company. We also make shawls and scarves for Italian luxury brands and do a few other things. We have a small real estate company. But basically, the carpet business was started by my chacha, who's my dad's twin brother. We come from an unusual family, which you know. Both our parents are twins. My father had an identical twin brother who married my mom's twin sister. So they were twins married to twins, which is a bit rare. So my chacha was the one who was like a father figure to all of us because my father passed very early, and so he was like the guru, and he was a great connoisseur of all the fine things in life, and he had a collection of many things, and so we are now actually trying to open a carpet museum in his memory, and also
Wow.
to so there's things going on all the time. Yes.
Great. Any special childhood memory, Dhruv, that you have of your dad?
Oh, of course, there's so many. Actually, my dad was also a very outgoing person. He enjoyed life, and he was a bit like you, Bia. And he was like a avid golfer, loved to travel, and he was always, up to something or the other. So I enjoy memories of us doing holidays together and going to Simla, which was our summer home, and going on picnics, and it was a lot of fun. But he went very early, so not that many memories. But yes, I do miss him a lot, of course, and he's a great guy.
Super. Awesome. So, Tamanna, I know what an amazing chef, master chef. I won't even say a cook because you're a master
You're
chef.
too kind.
I know the lovely baking that you do. So, do you have any plans to take this forward in any way? Considering
No,
your culinary skills are so amazing.
just learn more and more by watching, reading. But
Yes, it's really good for her friends and family who
And
she
of
sort of
course,
spoils to bits, and she's always baking something or the other. You can smell the aroma in the rooms, when she starts her baking and her cooking. She's a really good chef.
But I just want to keep it for my friends and family.
awesome. I think that's the best way, and we are more than happy to have it sharing amongst us, amongst friends and family. Okay, so now before we end, I've got a quick rapid fire round.
Oh my
So,
God.
Tamanna, if you can please answer the questions on Dhruv's behalf, and Dhruv, if you could answer the questions on Tamanna's behalf. So, I'm going to go with Tamanna first. Tamanna, what is Dhruv's favorite drink? His favorite tipple.
I would say a good malt, but he does enjoy, I think, a nice tequila and sake as well, right? He doesn't drink that very often, but he really enjoys it.
Nice. And Dhruv, what is Tamanna's favorite drink?
Oh my God. Tamanna, of course, as you know, is a teetotaler, so she drinks, she loves her Ruh Afza shakes, and she loves coconut water. Actually, coconut water, I think.
I would have said coconut water, definitely.
And Thailand coconut water.
Thailand coconut water.
The Thai coconut is so sweet, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, Dhruv, what's Tamanna's favorite cuisine?
I would say it would be Asian. Maybe Thai, Indonesian, Chinese, that sort of thing. Yeah. Pan-Asian.
Yeah.
Okay. And Tamanna, what about Dhruv?
Dhruv!
Everything.
A nice butter chicken or tandoori chicken. His favorite is butter chicken.
It's amazing how all Indian men, wherever they have been, whichever part of the world they've traveled, they all still come back to their tandoori chicken and their butter naan and the dal makhani, which just shows that our Indian food rocks.
Totally.
It is comfort food and something. I think it depends on your childhood memories of what you grow up with. So actually, I think I like also a lot of other things as well. But
any day a butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
Never say no to a good butter chicken.
Okay, butter chicken it is then. So what is, Tamanna, what is Dhruv's favorite fragrance?
Oh, Dhruv's favorite fragrance is Boss Spirit. That's his favorite. All-time favorite. It's very rare to get. One is always on a lookout. But
it's out of production.
Out of production.
Is it? Okay, wow. And what about Tamanna, Dhruv? What's her favorite fragrance?
Actually, I wouldn't know, but I think she likes a lot of oud, a lot of jasmine. I think she uses.
I actually keep changing.
Yeah. She's not. I don't think she's fixated on any.
Yeah. Every
one
few months is
thing.
a
I think
new
she
one.
keeps changing to new brands.
With a new one. Okay. And what's Tamanna's favorite ice cream flavor?
Oh, no, Chualon. That's both
Okay.
are.
Both are favorite, yes.
Okay.
We love it.
Great. Okay. And what's her favorite color?
Her favorite color. I think she generally wears a lot of neutral colors, like I think ivories, champagne, golds, cream, eye whites, that sort of thing. I think.
Yeah, well done, Kathy.
And Tamanna,
Well,
what
you
about Dhruv?
I
What's
have
his
a
favorite color?
wardrobe. Sorry.
What's Dhruv's favorite color?
Dhru's favorite color is pink.
I
That's his
remember the
all-time
pink
favorite.
party we had for his birthday years ago.
Yeah, the pink party, yes.
Yes.
And he looks fabulous
Yes.
in it.
Yes, I have no prejudice to color. I wear every color possible.
And he can carry it all off, so.
Yeah, absolutely. With total aplomb. Absolutely. Okay, Dhruv, what's Tamanna's favorite hobby? What's her favorite thing to do?
Oh, she does so many things. She's into yoga, I think. So I think she enjoys her yoga every day, and then she cooks and bakes and so many things. I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, I think so.
Pretty much right.
Okay, and Tamanna, what about Dhruv? What's his favorite hobby when he's not working? What does he love to do?
So he loves collecting. He loves collecting a lot of stuff, nothing specific, but he loves collecting things. And of course, art. He loves art.
He loves art.
Yeah.
Right.
I think I also
Collecting beautiful things.
Yeah, I think I also spend a lot of time researching stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
So that would be my hobby, maybe.
Yeah. That's a very good quality. Like anything that he gets into, he'll research, he'll study about it, really get to know ins and out of everything. So yeah, that's a very great quality to have.
You know.
Wow, fabulous. So thank you so much, guys. That was really, really nice. Thank you so much for being a part of this. And like I said, you both know what you mean to me. You are my favoriteest people in the whole world.
Likewise, absolutely.
Thank you, Priya, for us, and hopefully we get to see you in Delhi soon.
I know. We miss you.
Yes, I know. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, we haven't seen each other in a while. Hopefully, we'll get to see you really, really soon. And thank you so much once again. Really means a lot to me that you have taken out time and come for my show, Dhruv. I know how busy you are, and I know how busy Tamanna is
Anything
as well.
for
with
you.
yoga.
Anything
Thank
for you.
Thank you so much. Love you guys. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.